looking at inclusive STEM, which is this, new terminology that's sort of emerging, is how do we look at science from a way that's accessible to all different types of people that come from all different types of experiences, that have all different types of skills and knowledge and wisdom already within them.
Here is how the body becomes a site of knowledge, or always has been a site of knowledge. And we're trying to foreground this as a starting point for knowledge production, knowledge transfer. Together with my colleague, Kendra Krueger, I'm building an accessible STEM toolkit that is demystifying science and technology
from a more creative, a more playful, a more heart-centered approach.
The STEM toolkit is, I think, a little fragment of a larger project that Kendra Krueger has been working on for a very long time already.
I started this platform called 4LoveandScience in 2014. I started to do these small little community workshops, just like brainstorming ideas of what is science, what could science be, what are all the ways that science has been extractive or harmed us, and how can it actually be healing? We can't rely on reductionism anymore. It's worked to a certain point, this practice of breaking things down into smaller and smaller pieces to understand them. But we've now reached a point of complexity and understanding of interdependence that we can't use that model anymore. Like we can use it to a certain extent, but we need to create more holistic ways of thinking that are able to hold complexity. And I think the way to do that is through our intuitive skills, through our bodies, through our practices, through a lot of these ancestral practices.
Turning our gaze back to all of the tools that are already there and creating a list of the things that people need to understand the classroom, and maybe recreate a classroom so that it's more accommodating for more people.
I haven't always done the best job of figuring out how to document or to lay it out. So Zahra really helped to start to organize these ideas and connect them to some other scholarly work.
I've been working on building learning modules and referring to all of the authors, scholars, and thinkers around us and before us.
This toolkit is designed for already in practice and service teachers, for students of science, of non-scientists, to bring some of these little bits of transformation and open-heartedness into an already existing curriculum or classroom or course.